The Body Shop Shea Butter is such an OG item. I have actually been using this since I think I was in high school, and I'm 40 now, so that's a long time. But that's because it works well, and it's just a really wonderful product that's sourced really ethically as well. So I'm gonna give you an example on my elbows. I feel like elbows are an area that gets so dry, and this just kind of keeps mine from having that ashy look to them. A little does go a long way, which I love, and it's gonna give you 48 hours of that luxurious softening going on and moisturizing. So what a difference just immediately. Let me show you my other one. Ready? So you can see the difference right there. So, and it smells good. It smells so good. Leaves your skin super, super soft. Right away, you'll notice that difference. Can't you just see that difference? And you can use this all over your body. It doesn't really matter where you use it, but anywhere you have dry skin, I highly recommend it. And if you're looking for something that's just gonna keep you super hydrated, or you just naturally have very dry skin and you need something to give you that great barrier, this is a really good product. It is well known. It's been used for many, many years. And like I said, I've been using it for over 20 years. So you got to know it's a good product then if it's been in my arsenal of beauty products for that long.